This is question 8 from the GATE 2018 EC paper, where we are given the following combinatorial circuit and are asked to find out what the logic function of the input variables is realized. Underneath the question, you will find the title of the NPTEL course or video relevant to this topic. So in this circuit, we have an implementation of a logic function using an N stack and a P stack, right? So the rules for a logic function on the N stack is if this transistor is on and this transistor is on, then obviously since this is ground, this ground comes over there. So therefore every series of transistors in the N stack will, let's say they have input A and B, will lead to an equation of the type AB the whole bar. And in case there are some stacks in parallel, if AB is true or CD is true, if any one of them is true, any one parallel path is true, the output will go to 0. So that kind of expression will come when you have N stacks, right? And of course now the rule for the P stack, if you have A, B, C and D coming in, is if A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, then both the PMOSes are on and this VDD comes down. And VDD is logic 1, right? And in the same vein, if C equal to 0 and D equal to 0, it will come down here. And of course, since the two stacks are in parallel, you have an OR between them. So the rule for the P stack is A bar and B bar makes output equal to 1, and C bar or C bar and D bar makes the output go to 1, right? And finally, so if so this will be the expression for ABCD on the gates as seen from the P stacks perspective, right? So let's just look at what the ABCD are. So in this case, you can see that X is coming in, so that's X bar because it's coming through the inverter, and in this side we have X, and in this side we have Y bar going through the inverter, and in this side we have Y. So for the N stack it becomes X bar Y bar plus XY the whole bar, right? This is in what's inside, what's underneath the over bar is XNOR expression. So we know the expression XNOR the whole bar is equal to XOR. So this is going to be XY bar plus X bar Y. This is enough sort of to get the correct answer, but let us also do the PMOSes for completeness sake. So what are we getting here? X bar. What are we getting here? Y bar. Y, not Y bar, because Y is directly coming. And what are we getting here? Y bar and X, right? So we get X bar the whole bar, Y bar, that is this, plus this, which is X bar Y bar the whole bar, which is of course simply XY bar plus X bar Y. And this is also the expression for XOR. Thus the correct answer is D.